Finding the right hot air rework station can be challenging. Some models heat unevenly, others take too long to reach working temperature, and many lack the precision needed for delicate electronics. Whether you're repairing smartphones, replacing SMD components, or working on complex PCB projects, a reliable rework station makes all the difference. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best hot air rework stations of 2026. We researched product features and user feedback to build this list. Check the links in the description for updated prices and subscribe for more tool and tech reviews. Number 5. Silverflo 8586D Soldering Station, 2-in-1 Hot Air Gun Solder Station. The Silverflo 8586D is an affordable 2-in-1 rework station that combines a soldering iron and hot air gun in one compact unit. Dual digital displays allow you to monitor temperatures accurately, while adjustable airflow helps handle various SMD repair tasks. A built-in 10-minute sleep mode improves safety and extends heating element life when the station is not in use. Fast heat-up performance, stable temperature control, and a space-saving design make it ideal for hobbyists, electronics students, and technicians who need dependable daily repair performance. Number 4. YIHUA 8786D Soldering Iron Hot Air Soldering Station. The YIHUA 8786D is a versatile digital rework station designed for phone repairs, PCB maintenance, and SMD component work. It combines a precision soldering iron with a powerful hot air system, allowing users to handle multiple repair jobs efficiently. The digital temperature controls provide accurate adjustments, while the compact design fits comfortably on crowded workbenches. Fast heating, reliable temperature stability, and user-friendly operation make it a favorite among DIY enthusiasts and professional repair technicians looking for dependable performance at a reasonable price. Number 3. SUGON 8630 Pro 1300-watt Hot Air Gun Digital Display BGA Rework Station. The SUGON 8630 Pro is a high-performance rework station built for demanding repair environments. Featuring a powerful 1300-watt heating system, it delivers rapid temperature recovery and strong airflow for BGA, PCB, and chip-level repairs. The digital display provides precise control, while the curved nozzle design helps direct heat exactly where it's needed. Its advanced temperature management reduces the risk of component damage during sensitive repairs. For technicians handling complex motherboard and microelectronics work, this station offers professional-grade capability and excellent efficiency. Number 2. RF4 New 1000-watt Fast Desoldering Hot Air Gun Soldering Station. The RF4H2 is engineered for speed, precision, and intelligent operation. Its 1000-watt heating system reaches working temperatures quickly, helping reduce repair time and improve workflow efficiency. The digital display allows accurate monitoring, while intelligent temperature control helps maintain stable heat during extended use. Designed for PCB chip repair, desoldering, and BGA rework, this station provides consistent airflow and reliable performance. Whether you're servicing smartphones, laptops, or other electronics, the RF4H2 delivers the power and accuracy needed for professional repair tasks. Number 1. BK602 Pro Rework Station, 2-in-1 Soldering Station. The BK602 Pro earns the top spot thanks to its powerful 2-in-1 design and exceptional versatility. It combines a professional hot air blower with advanced soldering capabilities and supports adaptive C115, C210, and C245 heating cores for enhanced compatibility. Fast heating, excellent temperature stability, and responsive performance make it suitable for everything from delicate SMD work to demanding PCB repairs. Built for professionals and serious enthusiasts alike, the BK602 Pro offers premium features, reliable operation, and the flexibility needed for a wide range of electronics repair projects. A quality hot air rework station can make repairs faster, safer, and more precise. These 5 models offer excellent temperature control, reliable heating performance, and features suited for both beginners and professionals. Which one would you choose for your workshop? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more reviews.